What's up, guys? How you doing? And welcome back to the channel. So yes, I'm doing another mail call, two in a row. I normally don't do these, but I got to give kudos to the folks who sent me this stuff, and this is the only way I know how. So first one is stickers from On the Edge. I've been running low on stickers. I got about 10 left of these guys that I've been, holding on to forever. But since I'm doing giveaways now, I want something better to give out than just the janky ones I had before. So On the Edge have been doing good work throughout the community. I've seen some of his stickers on other channels, so I contacted him on Instagram, set everything up real quick, and I'll leave all this information in the description. But yeah, set it up, and he had it out to me real fast. I mean, super fast. Production and everything, it didn't take no time at all. So thank you, On the Edge, for sending these out to me. I appreciate it. And I'm going to be giving these to people and keeping some for myself. So I already pre-cut the thing because I don't feel like playing with knives on camera today. I'm pretty tired, but I already got it. So it looks like we got, I got a couple of his stickers. So one for me and one for my next giveaway. So which one will I keep? Yes, you can see he does a lot of cool stuff with the hologram laminate and everything. So like little snowflakes and little diamond patterns. But yeah, so I'm going to keep one of these and I'll send one out in my next giveaway. And what else we got? Got a paracord. I wonder if this is one of Kelly's too. Who knows? Kelly, if you watch, let me know if this is one of yours. But yeah, another lanyard. And here's the main event. A couple packs of stickers. I'll leave the other one in there. So you got one. Take a look at these things. I just went with the top option he gives. It's like, I think, just a clear holographic laminate on there. But pull one from the middle of the deck here. And there you go. So there's my new stickers. I will be giving these out. Let's compare it to the old one so you can see the quality difference. As you can see, looks a lot better. It's got that little hologram shine to it. Very neat. And that will replace that Shiro. Put it right over it like that. Boom. So yes, I got my new stickers. So like I said, I'll be giving them out in giveaways. And any other creators, if you do want some of these, for giveaways or whatever, just hit me up on my email at shirobladesandedc@gmail.com. It's also in my my bio on my YouTube channel. So yeah, just hit me up and I'll send you a few. All right. Very nice. Thank you, On the Edge EDC. And next, so this is from Kelly, from Kelly's Mishmash. A couple days after, I talked with Jimmy and he sent out that knife to me, Kelly just so happened to put a video on YouTube. She's selling 10 CRKT knives, all modified or customized by Jimmy. So I figured here's my chance to actually buy one and be able to keep it. So I reached out to her real quick because they were all copper and she had one titanium and I'm the one that grabbed the titanium. Sorry, guys. That was me. But so yes, I did get the titanium one and I'm going to hold on to it and cherish it. And it's going to be mine. But maybe eventually I will put it in a giveaway because I want to share, I want to share Jimmy's work with other folks. But for now, the time being, this is my knife. So let's get into the box. Already cut it open. Like I said, don't want to play with knives. Got the shakes pretty bad this morning. Not so bad. And let's see what Kelly sent. She says she can throw some other little goodies in here too. So like Kelly does. All right, let's get the box out of the way. And all right, cool. So it looks like we got some stickers and stuff. And we got another Jimmy Crow sticker. So now I got like 6 of them. Maybe more. Let's see how many she put in there. Oh, she put more. Oh, no, those are her. Okay. We got one Jimmy Crow. Oh, cool. I got a bunch of Kelly stickers now. So I do have one of these. So I will keep one and put one in the next giveaway. Oh, yeah, the next giveaway, which is coming up pretty soon, hopefully. Got this. Oh, wow. Got this new one. And this looks, this is probably made by On the Edge also. So you got all kinds of Kelly stickers. So these will go on my sticker board since I only got one of each. But I will send one of these other Kelly stickers out. And I'll send this guy out too because I do have one of these already. So it looks like I'm going to be building up a nice little sticker pack for my giveaway at 300, which I'm at, what am I at now? I think 292 at the moment. So I'm getting there. But thanks for the stickers, Kelly. And now let's get to the good stuff. Looks like we got, oh yeah, some nice Kelly paracord stuff. Looks like a keychain. Oh yeah, so we got this nice keychain, the bead on it there. That's pretty nice. So I got this one and this one, but I'm going to give one of these away in a giveaway. Not sure which one yet, and I'll give one of these out too. But she gave me a couple, which is nice. Thank you so much, Kelly, for the extras. And let me know, Kelly, if this is yours too, but it could be. But yeah, I think I like this one the best. What do I do? This one or this one? Anyway, I might give a choice, when the giveaway goes down, so we'll see. All right, and here's the little knife. It's just a little guy. So, you know, me with the big hands. You probably, if you saw Kelly's video, she might have smaller hands than me. So this might look like real dumb in my hands, but I wanted to get a hold of it. And there it is. I forgot what this is called. Oh, the Pilar. Yeah, so she made this little lanyard on there, and I asked her for the little paw bead because, you know, Shiro's a dog, and it made sense. So yeah, she made that for me, put a little lanyard on it, which is really cool. And here's a knife. So yeah, as you can see, Jimmy went ahead and did like scratch pattern on there, anodized it blue, and put like a little clear coat so it won't get all messed up. But that is pretty cool. Uh, the camera's not picking up. There it goes. Yeah, that's pretty cool pattern. I do like that. Now let's see how this opens. See, I probably won't. Yeah, I can do it. Never mind. So yeah, like I said, it's just a little guy, but the ergos are really cool. Good to choke up on. Good for a little slice in action. See if I can reverse flick this thing. And it is a frame lock. It's a nice little knife. Very nice little knife. All right, there it is. Very small blade, like I said, but then with the paracord on there, it gives you a little hand extension area. Very cool, very cool. And I'm not going to compare this one to anything, like I said. Just showing you guys what I got in my mail call. This is a wonderful thing. Thank you guys. Thanks, Kelly. Thank you, On the Edge. And Kelly, I definitely will be sending you some stickers and maybe a couple other little odds and ends for sending this out to me. Like I said, I mean, I bought it from her, but still, I will be sending you some stuff as a thank you. But so that's that. Got my nice little new knife from Jim, you know, modernized, customized by Jimmy Crow. So I got my own now. I'm a happy guy. Thank you all for watching, and thank you to all my veteran brothers and sisters and the military folks out there. Be safe. Talk to you guys in the next video.